In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Harvard Business Review account. Whether you're accessing your subscription for insightful articles or diving into business resources, logging in is the critical first step. We'll navigate this process together, ensuring you're all set to enjoy everything Harvard Business Review has to offer. First, let's open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you generally use on your device. Once your browser is open and ready, you'll want to head to the Harvard Business Review homepage. You can do this by typing in the URL directly, hbr.org. After entering, you'll arrive at the HBR website, your gateway to a wealth of business knowledge and articles. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage. There, you'll see an option that says Sign In, Join. Click on it, and this will expand into more detailed options. You might spot either Create an Account or Join HBR. The wording may slightly differ sometimes. If you're not a member yet, you'd explore those, but since we're focusing on logging in, you're simply going to utilize the sign-in feature. Now, a login page will appear, asking you for your account details. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure it's the same email you used while signing up for the service. Alongside this, you'll need your password. It's important that this is the one you created when you first set up your account. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so check that your caps lock isn't on unintentionally. If you have trouble remembering the password, you might want to use a password manager to help keep track of your login credentials safely. Once you've input all the necessary information and double-checked for any typos, it's time to sign in. You'll notice a button at the bottom of the login form that says Sign In. Clicking this button is the final step. Upon clicking, the system will process your details and then voila, you'll be logged into your Harvard Business Review account. If for any reason you encounter trouble signing in, say you can't recall your password, most web pages will have a Forgot Your Password link. This is usually located right beneath the email and password fields. Clicking this will guide you through resetting your password. It's a handy feature to remember if you need it. Now, equipped with your login credentials, you're ready to explore and enjoy the multitude of articles and resources that HBR provides. Just follow these steps anytime you need to log in, and you'll always have access to the insightful content you enjoy. Thanks for joining me, and happy reading.